guys, it's Sandy with Crafty Crew, and I have the new May Crafty Crew kit. It just came in the mail just a few minutes ago, so I couldn't wait to see what was in it, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this together. First things first, pre-order starts April 1st, runs through the 15th of April. Shipping will begin May 5th. There will be no additional orders of this kit, so if you see it and you want it, you need to get in that window. The cost for non-subscribers will be $48.02 plus shipping. That includes the 15% discount off retail prices. Subscribers of the bi-monthly subscription, that cost is $42.36 plus shipping. That is a 25% discount off retail prices, includes the embellishment, and a 10% discount for non-subscription orders. All right, let's get started. Ooh, fun. All right. Now all the kits come with this zippered case, which is so handy. I use these for, gosh, just about everything. I like it for these sets because I can keep everything in it. All right, here's the exclusive item. This is 3 yards of organza ribbon. Let's see. Ooh, oh, and it's a good, that's a good size. That's a nice size. It's close to a 1/2 inch, probably more 3/8 of an inch. But you do get 3 yards in that. Adorable. And I love their little spools. Help to keep it all organized. All right, let's look at this first one. I can already tell I love it. Okay. This is Chow Adventure. So we've got Meadow on the move. All right, look at her. Ugh. She's got the little Vespa. Adorable. Ugh. So she's got a camera, a passport, her little tote, binoculars, of course her little iPhone or cell phone, some little flowers. It says, "Adventure is better with you. Capture the memories. Find joy in the journey." That's one of my favorites. And Ciao Bella. Oh, so cute. Oh, she's wearing the cutest little skirt. I can't wait to color this one. All right. So there's that. Next stamp set is Toad Trip. Fun. Love my little toads. All right, we've got some traveling toads here. We've got the toad looking at the map, a toad taking a picture, and this toad is probably just sightseeing. We've got a palm tree, an airplane, the rolling luggage, adorable. Little sun. I'm not sure. I think that's like a little passport case. I'm not quite sure what that is. We'll figure it out though. And the sayings are, every journey starts with a little hop. That's cute. Life is an adventure. Enjoy the ride. I like that. And hoppy adventure. Instead of happy adventure, hoppy adventure. That's cute. All right. You will get the 6x6 stencil, which is really cute. It's a, let me get it out of this case because it glares pretty much. This is really cute. It's perfect for the theme of the stamps. Look at that. It's the world or a globe with an airplane swishing around it. That's really cute. That's going to be fun to use. All right. We've got our paper pack. I always love that their paper packs come with this sleeve because it is so handy when you have little scraps All right, let's see what we've got. I love their paper. It's one of my favorite. It's a really nice quality paper, and everything is scaled so that it fits well with your stamps. So we've got some little hearts. I like that color. And on the back of that, oh, cute. A camera and some little Polaroids. That's adorable. Black and white. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's go with that. And then we have the little scooter. It says sightseeing. It's got a little camera, some sunglasses, little Polaroid. Oh, I like that. That's a great little plaid. Oh, and it matches so well with the color on the Vespa. Matches well with this one. And again, it matches well with this. Lovely. Nice, nice. Love it. All right, there's that. Oh, look at this. This is fun. This is definitely toad color. We've got the little polka dots. Oh, look at that. We've got little suitcases. Oops, let's go this way with it. Suitcases and little globes. Adorable. The greens match beautifully. This would look really well with it also. I love it. Oh. This one's cute too. This has got more suitcases, more globes, sunglasses, Polaroid. It says Wanderlust. And it's got, oh, that's a great green. I love that green. It's so vibrant. All right. And then we have this one, and it says Jet Setter. It's got the airplane, the suitcase, some clouds, the globe. Ah, nice polka dot. Oh, look at how well that goes together. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that one's perfect. I love that. Oh, I really like that. Okay, stop looking. This one might be my favorite. It's got the airplane with the clouds, that great green, which again, let's see. Look at that. Fantastic. Look at these. Ooh, fun. Gonna be playing. All right, and on the back of this one, my absolute favorite. This is gonna be my favorite print. Just clouds. Simple. Very simple. Oh, I love it. All right, so we've got the clouds, the plane, the polka dots, some more planes and suitcases. We've got this great green with this print that says Wanderlust. Some more suitcases with the green polka dots, so that those two go together. Adorable. Beautiful. We've got the Vespa and this. These colors are so pretty. All right. And then we've got our little hearts and our little camera and Polaroids. Oh, so cute. All right. Wow. These are perfect. I can hardly wait to get started. All right, we're going to put these away. All right. Okay, to just go over it one more time, you're going to get the paper pack, the 6x6 stencil, the traveling toads, adorable, and little Miss Meadow, and this stamp is called Chow Adventure. I can't wait to color her. And it also includes the little zipper pouch, which is great because it's going to hold everything together. And then our monthly subscribers also get this little spool of organza ribbon. Non-subscribers, it's $54.99, and subscribers, $45.99. Pre-orders run from April 1st through the 15th. That's all. No more after that. And shipping will begin May 5th. All right, let me clean up my surface and we're going to get started. Okay, I have just a really super quick project. I've got my pattern paper and I've used that cute little one with the Vespa, some of the red pattern, um, the little plaid, and then some of the green plaid. I also decided to take a little bit of that organza ribbon and just wrap it around the top. Um, I'll go ahead and layer those all together and place them on my card base. My card is, of course, an A2 size, which is 5.5 by 4.25. I have already colored my meadow, and then in the next day or so, I will also be posting a video showing exactly how I colored her. I will change up the color of her little scooter a little bit, but I will keep the black hair, and I am absolutely in love with her hair black. This is the first time, actually probably the first time I've ever attempted black hair, especially so much of it. And I absolutely love the way it turned out. I've always been very intimidated by that, but boy, it was actually pretty darn easy. Anyway, I've got her colored and cut out. I'm going to use some foam dots to pop her up on the bottom of my card. That is something I like to do on all of my cards. I usually have at least something popped up. Now that I've got her foam dots applied, I'm going to go ahead and also use some liquid glue on top of those little spots. The reason I do this is it gives me just a little bit of a barrier so that I can move around that die cut until I get it placed exactly where I want it. Also on her, I used the Joys and the Journey sentiment. I cut that out of white paper and then I trimmed it with some of the pattern paper and I attached it at the bottom of her scooter, kind of on the corners of her wheels. I wanted to do that just so that I could get her placement on the front of that card exactly where I wanted it. After I get all of her little accessories colored, I'm going to just go ahead and put those on some little foam dots, put a little bit of liquid glue on the back, and just kind of arrange them around her. And that pretty much does it for this card. It was a very, very short project. That's because I had done most of the work before I even started videoing it. Anyway, keep an eye out. I've got another video coming and I will show you how I colored her hair. I'm absolutely in love with her black hair. Thanks so much for stopping by, and make sure you get that order placed before the 15th of April. See you later. Bye-bye.